Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Good Vibe Scribe for February. Do you want to see what is inside the February box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So Good Vibe Scribe sent me this box for review. So thank you, Good Vibe Scribe, for sending me this to show my viewers. This is actually February's box, so you guys can get a glimpse of what's inside. So if you would like to purchase it, you still have time to get it. Now, I do want to kind of tell you they are changing up their pricing a little bit. Normally, I only say that the first time I bring a box to my channel, and then I skip and just say it at the end. But now, since there is a little change, I do want to let you guys know now in the beginning. So before, their pricing was $35 per month, and they charge $5.95 for shipping. So basically that would be $40.95. So after January 31st, they are going to be raising it as of February 1st to now be a flat rate of $45. That includes free shipping. So it does go up $4.05. But if you are already a member, or if you order before January 31st, you will lock in the old rate of $35 and the $5.95. So you would save that $4.05 as long as you do order before the end of January. And they are also doing something a little different. They're adding a premium membership to their subscription as well. With the premium membership, it's $5 more per month. So that would now make the new one now $50 in free shipping. And you get to choose at least 2 of the item variations every month. Now, basically, let's just say hypothetically, they have a candle and they have 2 or 3 different scents for that candle. You get to choose which scent. Or if they have a specific item and it comes in 2 different colors, you can choose the color that you want. So you don't get to like choose a different product from different products. It's the same product, but a different variation or a different color or a different scent, that kind of thing. So if you want to be able to basically tailor your box a little bit more and choose those items that have the different variety, then it would be $5 more per month. But for every prepaid membership of 6 or 12 months, they waive that $5 fee. So if you were to go ahead and purchase a 6-month subscription, you would get the premium at no additional charge. So moving forward, February 1st, $45 free shipping and $50 free shipping. Unless you do 6 to 12 months, they'll bring that down to the $45, or you can order now and lock in, grandfather in the new or the old lower rate. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. This month, my code is SheCrafty2. If you use SheCrafty2, you will get a free item upon signing up. So let's go ahead and get in here. Last month's box, to be completely honest, was not my favorite box. So they sent me this month's box and they hope that we like it a little bit more. So let's go ahead and see. Now they also are doing their own unboxings. I just saw yesterday they did their own unboxing. So I kind of already know what's going to be in here, but it's different when you get them in your own hands. But they have their own YouTube channel that they're going to be starting to show you guys. So if you do want to subscribe to their channel, I will link their channel down below as well. So then you can see them unbox them. They're so cute. The 2 ladies that run this, they're cute together. So let's go ahead and get in here and see. Whoa, hello. Now, I know they did say that they were kind of doing a little bit of a Valentine's Day theme, not too artsy, but at least it's a little bit of a Valentine's Day theme because this is the February box. So here is the card that was right on top, and it says February 2020. Every company and product has a story. Peek inside and learn a little bit about these wonderful gifts you have just received. And then on the inside, they go over a whole lot of information. So the first item, which would have been one of the items you would have been able to choose, because they showed both variations on their unboxing. One of them had a pineapple, which looked really cute. And then you have this one right here. Now, this is an expandable vase. I have never in my life saw this before, but this is an expandable vase, and this is valued at $9.95. So you could have done this one, or so here is the actual item. Here we go. When in doubt, blow it out. So it does blow out, but here's the first item valued at $9.95. It's a neat concept. I would just be afraid it would knock over. And with all the water and then the flowers that are inside, I would not want to mess. But okay guys, so I was not actually comprehending how this would actually have water in it and not tip over. But actually doing it, it is definitely not going to tip over. The way that it's actually constructed and designed with the water in it, it makes it bottom heavy to where it's not like, obviously if you knock it over, it's going to fall over, but it is not very easily knocked over. It's literally staying. Yeah, so now I can see how this would be used as a vase. And then you just put the flowers in the top and voila. So this actually will stand up and you won't have to worry about it falling over. But I think it's an amazing concept. I just don't know. But it looks like they have several different, like designs and stuff, which look really cute. I'm not sure. So there's item number 1. Okay, so number 2 are these set of earrings right here. And they're like little I think they're handmade woven little tassels. These are $18. I will go ahead and set these in a future giveaway. For one, these are not my style, and for another, my ears are way too sensitive, so I can't just put anything in my ears. So there's number 2. Then we have, oh, this goes with, that's right, this goes with the candle. So let me find the candle. This is an unfused body and body massage candle. That's one thing I've never heard of before. Have you guys ever heard of a candle that's also used for like massage oil when you burn it? I've never heard of that before, but this is very cute. I do really like how it has a little ribbon. It looks very nice and Valentine's Day-y, so definitely good for the season of Valentine's Day. But it says Unfused Love Massage Candle Wild Rose. And if you guys follow me, you know I don't like the scent of rose. That doesn't really smell like rose. What does it smell like? It doesn't really have a huge scent to it. It's just a soft, I don't know, scent. I'm not sure what that is. Directions. Light candle, wait 10 to 20 minutes for a pool of warm oil to form. Blow out the candle, pour warm oil in your hand and massage. The candle melts at just above body temperature, so the oil should feel warm but not hot. The remaining candle will solidify to use again. So I've never seen a candle that you burn and use as an actual massage oil. So I think that's very neat. This does come with this coaster. It says there is only one of us. And it's just like a, I don't know what kind of material that is, but there's a little coaster that you can put your candle on. I think that's a very neat concept, especially because Valentine's Day is supposed to be of love and partners. And if you want to do like this little massage thing or get a little kinky night going on, I think that would be really cute. This is valued at $20.95 for the candle and the coaster. But again, I'm not sure about the scent. I'm not sure. It smells like a little tiny bit of essential oils, but I'm not picking up a good scent to tell you guys. But there's number 3. Then we have is this right here, and this is rose clay. And it could have been rose clay or vanilla raspberry. Ooh, vanilla raspberry would have probably been really good. Again, I don't do anything with rose, so I will set this aside for one of you guys to enjoy, but this is $8, and it is a rose clay facial bar. So it's a handmade soap. I don't want to remove the label because this will go to one of you guys, but it is a handmade, hand-poured soap. So there's this one, and again, this is valued at $8. And then the last item in here is right here. Okay, so this is the Pinch Me Therapy Dough, and I did get a small one of these. Like it's less than even half of this size in another box, and it was a teal green one, and it smells like the ocean. And I have it at work, and every now and then I'll grab it and I'll just play with it, and then my hands smell amazing. So I like this stuff because it's like an adult Play-Doh, but it smells amazing. So let me get this off so we can smell this one, because I've only smelled that other one that I have. Ooh, this smells like, yeah, this smells like raspberry, blueberry. It smells like some berries. It has Pinch Me on there, and this is literally like I said, this is just like an adult Play-Doh, and you can play with it. You can roll it around in your hands, and then when you're done playing with it, your hands smell amazing. This is $24.99, and I would definitely think that it would be, because the other one that I have, again, it is small. It is so small. It probably has the lid about like this, and it's like this deep, where this one is huge compared to it. So I do appreciate that they have like a bigger size, or maybe like a full size in this one. And I do like the smell. I do think they went with an amazing theme as far as the pinks and the reds, because you have the rose soap. It's just, I don't like rose. That's just my own personal opinion. And you have the rose massage candle with the hearts. You have the little bit of red and orange on this, the red and pinks on this. This is a lavender, like fuchsia, purplish color. So, and then like inside here, it's all red and pink inside. So I like the theme that they created this month. It's just a few of the items, just there's something that are not for me or my style. But that's okay, because every box is not, you're not gonna always like every single item. That's the point of having a subscription box. But at least the items that I'm not comfortable with or just are not my forte, I do pass them down to one of you guys. So hopefully they do go to somebody who would definitely use them. So that is everything that came in this box. Again, we have this huge adult Play-Doh, which I love this. We have the handmade soap, the massage candle with the coaster. You have these earrings and this vase. Have you guys ever seen anything like this? I haven't seen anything like this before. I might have to try it. It's just, I love my nice big thick glass vases, because I know they're not gonna tip over. So there's that. So you guys, comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this box? Did you like the items? Do you like the theme? I like the color scheme, and I like how they did stick to kind of like a Valentine's Day theme. I do like that. So let me know down below what you guys' thoughts are on this box. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.